Hello and good morning. Uh, you probably have seen a few of my videos if you're checking my channel. Most of it was audio stuff, and then my early stuff was all history, mainly medieval history. Well, currently I'm sitting in historic downtown Florence, Alabama, and one thing I've always loved about this part of the city is just the buildings. Real design went into them. All right, I'm sitting at the corner of Mobile and Court Street. Now, for a lot of people who've been coming in and out of Florence for years, you've seen this corner, and up until last August, what you saw was a sandstone building. Well, it's not sandstone anymore. What has happened and started happening is that starting around August, the owners of the building, which is the company that owns Books A Million, uh, they have stripped. Okay, let's start over again. All right, I've already done my little intro, and I'm going to pan the camera around. I want you to take a look. And again, all of this was covered in sandstone till last August, maybe September. It was the first national bank building, and sometime in the 50s, the bank decided they wanted something that was more streamlined in appearance and covered it with a sandstone veneer. And here we are. And this has been stripped away. And I don't know the reason for why they started doing this. I think I heard somewhere that it was in part because some of the sandstone came crumbling off, and they decided to just go ahead and strip it all and be done with it. But either way, it is now being uncovered. This is a late addition to the video I shot earlier. As I'm sitting here recording, I've been given a brick. Now, okay, yeah, it's a brick. This is a 70-year-old brick from the Anco building. So, yeah, I kind of like this. It's neat.